We're going to talk about vitamin B's in this video, but first I'd like to show you that I drink a half a blender full of freshly homemade orange juice with 3 whole oranges and a glass of water. And I drink this. It's the best orange juice ever, and I put rose hip powder in here, and I take this along with some MSM. Now don't forget that carbs will make you fat. You know, even though I've never been an athlete in my entire life, and yet I'm getting abs from eating as many carbs as I want. Whole food carbs, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying to eat potato chips, candy, and that stuff. I'm talking about raw fruits and vegetables. And for the most part, my diet has been very high raw, and I've cut back a lot on a lot of the fats. I don't do really any oils anymore, because I do believe and agree that liquid oils are really just fats in a bottle. That's all they are. It's liquid fat. It's like the white sugar, really, because what is white sugar? It's just plain sugar. It doesn't have any nutrients. Well, liquid fat doesn't have any nutrients either. It's just fat in a bottle. So I'm all about getting nutrients and eating whole foods these days. And that is what's giving me a lot better health. So, I want to talk about some of the B vitamins. There's many different reasons why B vitamins are good. But let's just name some of them here. You got vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, B12. And then you got biotin, choline, and inositol. And vitamin Bs are needed for pretty much every process in the human body. B1 is needed to help convert the carbohydrates we eat into glucose. The following B vitamins are needed at a cellular level to convert glucose into energy. You need B2, you need B3, and B5, B6, and biotin. And a vitamin B deficiency in any of these vitamins can lead to decreased energy production, lethargy, and fatigue. So those are the B vitamins that are very important for energy. Many people don't have a lot of energy, probably deficient in vitamin B. I mean, think about it. The standard American diet does not provide nutrients pretty much whatsoever, because everything that they're eating is processed. It's either processed or dead animal flesh. And you're just simply not getting those amounts of B vitamins that you really need. I'm pretty sure that B vitamins are heat sensitive as well, and they're water soluble. So B vitamins are also important for a healthy nervous system. B5 is needed for the correct functioning of the adrenal glands and the production of some hormones and nerve regulating substances. B1, B6 and B12 are essential for the regulation and correct functioning of the entire nervous system. So that's why you always hear plant-based nutritionists or doctors recommending that people that go on these diets take a B12, because if you ever get deficient in B12, whether you're a meat eater or a plant eater, it can affect your nervous system, and it's a really big deal, and you shouldn't just avoid that. And I would recommend taking B complex, whether you eat meat or whether you don't, because it's a problem for both people. So B12 is also important for brain function. B9 is essential to prevent neural tube defects to the fetus during pregnancy. So that's a good B vitamin to be taken if you're pregnant. And a deficiency in any of the vitamin B complex vitamins can lead to feeling stressed, anxious, or depressed. Also, B vitamins are good for digestion. It's important for digestion, the production of hydrochloric acid, and to assist the breakdown of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. For good digestion, you want to do B2, B3, B6, B1. A deficiency in any of these B vitamins can lead to impaired digestion and deficiency of essential nutrients. Now, for a lot of people that are concerned about their hair, skin, and nails, you'll be happy to know that B vitamins are very important for all three of those things. B vitamins are essential for correct RNA and DNA synthesis and cell reproduction. Our skin, hair, and nails are constantly growing and renewing themselves, and we need the following B vitamins to ensure the good health of these structures. So we want to focus on B1, B2, B3, B5, B9, B12, biotin, choline. If you have a deficiency in any of these, you could expect to have dermatitis, acne, rashes, wrinkles, falling hair, weak splitting nails, dry skin. So they're very important. And when you're taking B12, it's important that you have a synergy of them. You don't want to just isolate them or take them separately. Get a good B complex supplement. And the one that I personally take and would recommend to others to take is the Raw B complex from Garden of Life. It's a good company. It's actually a Christian-based company, believe it or not. And the Raw B complex is actually food because they're grown using yeast. It's unadulterated, unheated, unprocessed, and it is high quality. And so that's the B complex that I take and would recommend that others take. Another important thing you should know is that B vitamins are water soluble, so any excess amount that you take that your body doesn't need, you will pee back out into the toilet. And this just simply means that you have to continue taking B vitamins every day as you lose them. Okay. The other thing is that when you're taking a B complex vitamin, you will notice that your urine turns a bright fluorescent yellow, and that is perfectly safe. That just simply means that your body has absorbed that B complex. And I guess with that ends the video here on B complex vitamins. But just remember that B vitamins are very important for your health. You shouldn't ignore them. They're important just like any other nutrient in your body. And no matter whether you're eating a raw diet, vegan diet, meat diet, or whatever diet you are on, I recommend that everybody should be on B complex vitamin, especially if you have any of these symptoms or deficiencies, and even if you don't, to prevent getting those problems in the first place. And look at getting something like that as like a health insurance policy, because that'll actually benefit your health rather than taking drugs. So with that, thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, please like, favorite, and subscribe.